To extend the ring time on a certain group of phones, navigate to the Call Manager menu from your sidebar and select Group Settings followed by Hunt Group. First, create a hunt group. Create this as a normal hunt group with a number and name, and make sure that Group No Answer Forward priority is set to Use. Enter the desired extensions onto the hunt group using the Members tab at the bottom of the page. Next, create a shared line from the Call Manager menu in the sidebar. This just needs to be a blank shared line with no members as per this example. Create a second hunt group. Enter a different number and name and keep the remaining details the same. In particular, again ensure Group No Answer Forward priority is set to Use. In the Members tab, add the same extensions as the first hunt group. This time also add the shared line you have just created. Now go back to the first hunt group. In the Options tab towards the bottom of the page, add a queuing overflow no answer forward to the second hunt group for 60 seconds. This will then ring this first group for 60 seconds before routing to the second group. If required, within the second hunt group, you can then repeat the process with a different shared line. In the Options tab, set an overflow to a third hunt group that again has the same members and the different shared line added. This process can be repeated up to 10 times. For more detailed information on how to create a hunt group, please refer to our other Quick Start videos or contact your communications provider.